Welcome to the Preflight Checklist. Today's checklist is about knowing when an aircraft is truly ready to be listed. Many owners think of listing as the beginning of the sales process. Take a couple pictures, write a description, hit publish. Finish the details later. In reality, buyers assume the opposite. When an aircraft appears on the market or shows up in their search results, they expect that it's ready to be sold. That expectation matters because the first days after a listing goes live are often when it receives the most attention. Buyers who have been waiting for a particular model will see it quickly. They'll review the spec sheet, take a look at the photographs, ask for records, and start sending their questions. If the aircraft isn't actually ready for those next steps, that early interest can disappear before a transaction ever gains momentum. Preparation starts long before the listing goes live. The logbook should be organized and complete. The aircraft should be clean and presented well. Photographs should accurately reflect its condition. Any maintenance items that will affect a buyer's decision should already be understood and planned for. The goal is not perfection, it's readiness. That preparation makes conversations with buyers much more productive. Instead of explaining why photographs aren't available yet, or when the records will be ready to be reviewed, the discussion stays focused on the aircraft itself. Buyers gain confidence when information is readily available and questions are answered promptly. But there's another benefit to waiting until everything is ready. The market does not give second chances at first impressions. If a listing appears incomplete, is missing photographs, no records, or delayed or unresolved maintenance issues, buyers often remember those gaps long after they've been corrected. It's much easier to launch with confidence than it is to rebuild momentum later. Ultimately, listing an aircraft isn't simply about making it visible. It is about presenting it at the moment when buyers can fully evaluate it and move forward without unnecessary delays. From our perspective, listing an aircraft should be the result of preparation and not the beginning of it. The strongest listings are the ones where the work has already been done behind the scenes. With the records organized, photographs complete, and the aircraft genuinely ready for buyers, every inquiry becomes more productive, and the transaction begins from a position of strength. This has been the Preflight Checklist.